This is my 65-gallon. It's going to be fish only marine system, all artificial. I made the background out of spray pond foam. Got some reef rock, got some artificial corals. Kind of go around here real quick. I used Krylon Fusion paint. Just kind of adding this here. I siliconed the corals on. I originally had purchased this Marco 4 or 5 coral cement, but the accelerator was busted when I opened it up. I got it from Bulk Reef Supply, and it sounds like they're going to honor a good refund. So, but anyways, I had to use silicone. I have I think it's 1.5 inch PVC pipe holes. I use grating to make sure the fish can't get through. I'm running double canister filters on this. I got a digital heater or digital thermometer on this side, a return, and a pickup. And as you come over here, it's my cat being completely annoying. Coming around, kind of see in this chamber I've got a heater. I'm debating probably putting a heater in the other one as well. And I also have wave maker pumps that are siliconed inside one of these tubes. There's one, and then these are all graded. I don't know if you can see in there. Those are all holes. There's also holes up here for a return, and there's a hole down here. Where's it at? Down there is a pipe for circulation to allow water to get into that cavity easier. Those are actual real barnacles. Those are kind of fake. Those are fake mushrooms. I want to do fish that I can't normally keep in a reef tank. Not sure I'm ready for a reef tank again as of yet. I think it'll turn out really well, as good as I had imagined it for the most part. Here's another return. Then you have just a vent hole, and there's a wave maker pump in there. Also one here, and then one down there in the corner. I tried to keep a little bit of a gap in between the wall and the corals to let the fish go through. I'm thinking of a basic setup, nothing crazy. Probably I would like to have a yellow tang. I would like to have a clown trigger if I get a small one. I don't know if it'll, I don't know, 65 gallons big enough for it, but I'm going to take a look at that. I want a strawberry basilisk. I want a pair of Ocellaris clowns. Maybe a couple Clarkie clowns if I could get them to not fight with the Ocellaris clowns. I'm going to try to do all tank race stuff for the most part. Maybe a small blue tang. I definitely want a small angelfish, a flame angel. If I can pull it off, a flame angel and a coral beauty would be awesome. Definitely want a cleaner wrasse. Other wrasse, maybe a I don't know, Christmas wrasse or something like that, a 6-line wrasse maybe. Nothing too absolutely crazy. So definitely some gobies, yellow Watchman goby. I'm gonna have a cleanup crew once I get some algae going. I heard that if you have an initial diatom outbreak, it's a good thing to use baker's yeast, which I'll try if it happens. I don't have crazy lighting on this, so I'm hoping it doesn't cause a algae outbreak. It's just got these small LEDs because I'm not really using them to grow anything. I did purchase a RO system. It's Aquatic Life. Right here, I'll hook that up when I don't know if you can see that. There we go, like that. It's Aquatic Life. Should be good for what I'm going to do. I'm using the Dr. Tim's One and Only nitrifying bacteria. So what I'm going to fill it. I'm going to get the temperature correct, pH and all my parameters good. I am going to dump a bottle of that and immediately 2 Oscularis clowns. And I'm going to watch it, test it. I got a full test kit. I'm going to hopefully add around 2 fish every 2 weeks until I get my stocking where I want it. I have my Belkin power strip down here. That's one ginormous canister filter, and then this is another canister filter. I got this tank used off of Craigslist, I think, but it was really good shape, glass lids, and I do like the fact that it's a very clean top. I don't want lights on top. I don't want that whole look. I just want a clean, slick look. So I think it looks good. That's with normal lighting. Now if I turn it to the blue lighting, it's kind of neat. You can kind of see some of this stuff glows, and I know it does look kind of fake, but for what I'm trying to go for, I think it's pretty cool. Some corals there. Kind of neat. This one glows. So that's kind of what it looks like with just the purple with the blue moonlights on. I will hopefully get into a reef tank another time down the road, but right now I'm going to do this and kind of focused all my energy on it. Took a lot to build this background. I did pond foam and rock salt and sand. So kind of how it turned out. But anyway, I'll do an update once I get it up and running and fish. Hopefully about 2 weeks. Right now it's curing. There was a lot of sealant and a lot of spray paint that went onto this project. So I want to give it a good time to cure and hopefully be successful. Thank you for watching.